You're watching How Leap. Let's go over 7 iPhone tips every senior should know. First, enlarge text. Go to Settings, Display and Brightness, then Text Size. Drag the slider right. Second, enable Speak Selection. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Spoken Content, and turn on Speak Selection. Now you can highlight text and have it read aloud. Third, use the magnifier. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Magnifier, and turn it on. Triple press the side button to activate it. Fourth, set up emergency SOS. Hold the side button and a volume button to call emergency services. Fifth, use the camera's QR code scanner. Open camera and point it at a QR code to open links. Sixth, enable Find My in settings to locate your iPhone if lost. Seventh, use Siri for hands-free help. Just say "Hey Siri." For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.